Okay, guys, we're here at Miller Auto Parts and Hardware down here in Americus, Georgia. We're gonna go in there and see if they got any new of the new case knives. You never know.
Well, the old resistant, all I got is that red one, this old resistant.
Pretty red bone.
Silicone, but it's for antifreeze, not old.
That's really good price on that side buster. I like that peanut and that toothpick right there. Another peanut. That right there is a stack. That's $99. That's another toothpick.
There's a couple that they may have some of that.
What y'all want for them?
I have to go see what the price is. I got that one right there. You want like a flip out knife, or you want?
I have no idea, but I was just gonna see if y'all had any knife deals today.
Oh, okay. I mean, there's no real deals going on now. I mean, like the I can price them out. If you see one you like, I give you the price on it, but there's no sale. There's no sale going on.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually gonna go ahead and round these up and get them out front.
Yeah, I would too. I would too. What are y'all gonna do with that?
Case?
Yes, sir.
I'm sure we'll find something to do with it.
I didn't know if y'all want to sell it or not.
I could talk to the owner and see. See if he's interested in selling it.
Yeah, because I know some guys. If I don't buy it, I know they might.
Yeah.
You have several back there too.
Well, a lot of these are just the boxes.
Just the boxes.
Yeah.
What's this price here? Of the buck right here, the buck 110.
Let's see. What is it? I'm gonna have to figure out what box.
It's the 110.
110.
It's the Folding Hunter's what it's.
Folding Hunter.
That's
what this is right here. Take it up there and scan it and see what it costs.
What's the ones on the the bottom down there?
Inside?
Oh, they're just Coast.
Coast.
Are them Gerbers? They USA ones, or are they the?
They're USA. I got the Gerbers out front.
Let's see.
I got a bunch of other Gerbers out front, I believe.
It is USA. Okay. All right, buddy.
We'll see what the price is on
Yeah, just let me know. I'll be looking at your case knife. Y'all ain't getting none of the axe handles knives or the cubs or the little the swing guards.
No, sure, no. I mean, what you see up there in the cases.
Yeah, I didn't know if y'all gonna be getting some of the newer knives in. Is what I'm saying.
No, sure, no, not that I know of.
Okay. That gray bone is pretty right there. Hoping I can get that buck 110 for their old price. That's a good looking $200 though.
This the buck 110 right here is $89.99.
Okay, buddy. I appreciate it, man. Say again now. 67.
67.82. I could do that on that knife right there.
All right, I'll do that. Sure will. And let me see one of your side busters. Is it 41 bucks? Is that the price? It's not a bad price.
Which one?
That one right here.
Yeah, it should be at $41.99.
Okay.
So that's the only one I got.
Oh, that's the only one you got in there?
Yeah.
Okay. I know. I have a magnet one too, man, and they'll just fall out. Oh, we thank you, buddy.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate your time.
Sure.
We thank you, man. This is the box, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys, I got a buck 110 for the old price, $67. Can't beat that. And I bought their last full-size side buster for $41. Y'all let me know how I did. I always like to find knife deals, guys. Okay, guys, there is the case side buster right there. The etching looks really good. It's a 2024. It's got that black synthetic handles, but there's the pattern number. It's 2138. 2 is for black composition, 1 is for the number of blades, and 38 is for the large side buster pattern number. Just a great, these are just great users of knives, and I'm waiting on something to come in. I'm gonna be modifying this thing. I cannot wait to get that done. And I got a sheath I'm gonna be carrying it in, so that's coming soon. Right there, guys, that's just an awesome knife, and I feel like I got a pretty good deal on this thing. And guys, did you know that Case introduced a side buster pattern in 1968? That was actually my very first knife that Dad got me in 1977. It was a brand new stainless steel 1977, and what he bought me, and the first day I cut my thumb wide open. I'll never forget it. It closed on my thumb. But just great knives they are, just great workhorses. But y'all let me know if I got a good deal on this or not. $41.99, I think it was. Okay, guys, here is the buck 110. That symbol right next to the 110 is for 2023, the way it's angled, but it's got 428C steel, wood inlay, handles, brass bolsters. It's a lock blade. Just great knives. It's just a classic is what it is. I think they were first made in '64, but it's like the pioneer of modern day lock blade folders is what it is. This was the first one that come out that really got popular and set the tone for today's folders. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But he first said $89, guys. I said nah, because I've got plenty of buck 110s. And he said, you know what, I've had this one for a while, I need to get rid of it. He said, how about 67? And I said, do what now? Then that's when he said, I said 67. He said, yeah. So very good. That's what I was looking for, guys, a knife deal, and I found it. And again, that case there, that was, I feel like that was a good deal on it too. So that was the last one that they had. I went ahead and picked it up. Well, guys, today's been a good day. I wasn't planning on going knife hunting. I had a reward in my Chick-fil-A app on my phone for a free Chick-fil-A sandwich. And I said, you know what? After I mailed that stuff off, all the whatnot auction knives, finally got them, the rest of them mailed today. I'm like, you know, I'm going to go on down to Americus and get me a Chick-fil-A sandwich and for lunch. And when I was coming into town here, I actually said that, you know what, I'm going to go by Miller Auto Parts just to see if they got any axe handles or cheetah cubs. Well, he said that he doubts they're getting some in. The other Ace Hardwares I've been to, they don't have them either. So y'all let me know if y'all have some in y'all's area. But I always try to go by the case dealers I know to see if they have any axe handles or cheetah cubs in, but all the ones I've checked, they have not. Other than the Collette Country Store, y'all call them. They might have some up there. I haven't checked with them in a while, but I'm looking for a few more of the axe handles. I'm not gonna collect all of those. I'm looking for a pretty bone one, but also the cheetah cubs. I'm not gonna collect them. I'm not a cheetah fan, a swing guard fan. I do have a 3 swing guards, and those are all K-bar. I bought 2 of them from Mr. Kendall Stoltz. Well, actually, I bought 1 of them from Kendall Stoltz. He gave me the dog head, and Mr. Wade gave me the one with the stag. It had a broke part, and I bought a parts knife. I have a video on that, but I bought a parts knife and repaired it, and it's hanging up in the museum now. But anyway, I don't collect swing guards, and cheetahs I'm not a big fan of, so I'm not going to be collecting the cheetah cub. But had a good day today, guys. I found some knife deals. I always love finding knife deals. And guys, also I should be getting my exclusive knives in tomorrow, so I'll be sharing those with you real soon. My website is so close. I've got to do some more to the homepage, which I call it the Situation Room. So I think y'all like my website, so it's gonna be cool. Can't wait to share it. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
Let's go. Walk into the pawn shop, stepping out the ride, looking for that vintage steel shining in the light. I see that custom photo sitting in the case, but I ain't paying retail. Put a smile upon my face. I tell 'em, hold up, man, let's talk about the price. A little back and forth, yeah, we keep it smooth and nice. I got the magic touch, I make the numbers spin.